Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom right corner, you'll find settings option. Tap on it. Now from there, navigate your way to privacy and security. Once you do that, the first option you'll find there is blocked users. Tap on it, then select block user. Once you do that, go ahead and select the contact that you want to block, and that's it. And guys, that's it. That's how you block someone on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.